A is order of 3 cross 4. A transpose B and B into A transpose are defined. So the matrix is the resultant matrix. If we are going to multiply A transpose B and A transpose are defined. Order for matrix P, I need to find order for matrix B. So once again teach you, listen very carefully. If I am going to take one of the matrix M, if I am going to take matrix M and going to take matrix En, the resultant matrix will be Mn. The resultant matrix will be Mn. Suppose I am going to take order as A cross B. A cross B. Order for this is row. This is row. This is going to be our column. M as M, the matrix M as row as A, the matrix M column as B. The same I am going to take C cross D. This is second matrix N. This N as a row C and column D. If I will say this both are equal. For example, I say both. If you want to take B also, no problem. B, no problem. You can say B equal to C also, no problem. But we don't need. I don't need to confuse you. I am taking B and D. B cross D or A cross B. B and B both are equal. So the first matrix column, second matrix row should be equal. Then what will be Mn? That's nothing but A cross D. A cross D. This is, listen very carefully, this is first matrix column. Second matrix row should be equal. First matrix column and second matrix row should be equal. The resultant matrix order is first matrix row. First matrix, this is a first matrix row. This D is nothing but second matrix column. This is a first matrix row. First matrix row. This is second matrix column. The same procedure only I am going to use here. If A is 3 cross 4 means what will be A transpose? A transpose order. A transpose order is nothing but 4 cross 3. If A order is 3 cross 4, then A transpose nothing but 4 cross 3. So first I will take this one. A transpose into B. So I need to put A transpose into B. So I get A transpose B. Okay. You know what is the order for A transpose? What is the order for A transpose? 4 cross 3. So the same I want to get here also. This will be row, this will go on. I don't know the B. Surely I am going to say this both are going to be equal. Then only I can get A transpose B is defined. Okay. Surely this column, first matrix column and second matrix row should be equal. If both are equal only this will be defined. So this 3 means this is all 3. This is nothing but row of B. I have found row of B. This is row of B. Still I need to find column of B. For this I am going to take one. BA the whole transpose. B into A transpose is equal to B into A transpose. This is also defined one. I don't know the matrix B, but A transpose. What is the order of A transpose? Nothing but 4 cross 3. You know this row and column I don't know. So, but we know first matrix column and second matrix row should be equal. First matrix column and second matrix row should be equal. If this is 4 means this is also 4. So this will be row, this will be column of B. So we know row of B, we know column of B. Therefore order of B is, what is row? 3. What is column? 4. So this is the required answer for this sum. We need to use our mind calculation and we need to find the answer for this sum. Thank you.